and I've sealed up all the holes so that if it's outdoors, water can't get in, and I've used my plastic glue on where the wires come out of the box, and and heat shrink sleeving on the connections. I also made a V shape on the cable clamp so that when you pull on the wire it tightens up on it like Chinese fingers. But I'll put some glue over the top of that because I'm going to glue this on, this lid. I made the lid for it as well, so the lid's got to be glued on, pressed down, and it'll be completely sealed, and there will be nowhere to get to it other than using a knife to cut it off, because I considered using a screw, but then it would mean sticking a bolt on the inside of the box, and that's causing problems, more holes. I don't want to make more holes than I need to do. So, but anyway, if I ever do need to get in here, for example, if the wire breaks or anything, it's just a simple job of cutting the lid off, really. So what I'll probably do is I'll get my black marker pen. Oh, I'm dropping everything here. So I'll get my black marker pen and I'll make a boundary layer of black ink around here, and it's actually got acetone in this pen anyway, so in the future, if I ever want to take this apart, it'll be easy to see where the line is to cut it off. Yeah. So I also thought about sticking some what do you call it? Oh, I can't think of the word now. Some crystals, you know, to absorb moisture in there, to keep it damp, keep it dry. But I thought, nah, I probably won't need it, because water should never get in there anyway. Anyway, we should be fine. It's all sealed up. So all I've got to do really is stick this lid on it, and I'm going to put glue around it, my plastic glue, and then stick the lid down. I'll do that off camera. You've seen me stick things together enough times. I left these holes in the transformer. Originally I was going to have the wires coming out of there, then I decided against it because, as you can see, the actual transformer up against the side of the and get in there around it. The hole there, it means that I can use my temperature thermometer thing to check the windings to see if they're getting hot. But they shouldn't do, because I mean it's only going to be used as a choke anyway on the petrol generator. So obviously I've got to stick a note on here saying do not connect to the mains, because it's not designed for the mains. It's not designed to run directly off the mains, but it's for the generator, not for the. It'd be pointless using it on the mains anyway, because I've got these output wires which I could use as output AC, but I'm just going to leave them for now because they're low voltage. These are just, I think it's 15 plus and minus 15 volts or something on here, so it's basically 30 volts across there. So yeah. So anyway, I've sealed them holes up down there with plastic so nothing can get in. But as I say, I'm going to wrap tape around here for now. I'll probably use some of that gaffer tape. Excuse me. Anyway, that's it basically, and I think that's safe, and that wire's not going to pull out, because I'm going to drop a couple of drops of super glue down there anyway, just to make sure that doesn't pull out. Yeah. So once I glue that on, it'll be completely airtight. Because I'm going to put some glue down the gaps where the wire is. Excuse me. Anyway, so that's that. Just thought I'll show you. Obviously I've got to do the handle. Yeah, the handle's done. I mean, I haven't fitted it yet because I've been having some thoughts about that. And the side of the box is adjacent to the transformer, the steel. So, you know, the transformer core is wrapped around here because the coils are on this side. What I could do is melt a big hole and stick a bolt in the side and I could bolt my handle directly on, so I could swivel it, or just use them 3D printed brackets to hold it. I haven't really made my mind up yet. You see, the handle is secondary, really. I mean, I don't have to put the handle on, but it'd be nice to have a handle on because then you could just pick it up a lot easier. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.